All right, so I'm just gonna walk through the new Extreme Shell F Slide Case. This is for the Dell 3110. You got both a top piece and a bottom piece. I'll put the bottom on first. The one thing I want to, before I put it on the device, really is how soft kind of the perimeter on both the bottom here and then also the top. The softness of the TPU that's actually going to be touching the device. So it's really going to give a lot of protection and shock absorbing. So we'll start with the bottom. It's pretty straightforward. It's just going to slide into one side like that. And you're just going to press that on. And then you want to make sure that corner part's on. But really simple installation. The one thing that's nice is you're really seeing kind of like a seamless lip all the way around. Just really continuous, really simple. The top, again, this is the Extreme Shell F Slide Case. The reason that it's a slide case, and again, is that you have just a seamless lip all the way around, is that the installation is going to be about sliding the case on. So you're going to put it kind of on the top like that, and just kind of put a little pressure, and it's going to slide all the way on just like that. So, and again, what you can see is that the seamless lip all the way around is taking any pressure points, and the pressure is distributed evenly around the entire device. When you close the device now, after the install, you're having this top layer that actually doubles up the protection on the corners. So you're gonna have a lot of corner protection all the way around. The other thing that we did is to really make the visibility, so any kind of sticker, asset tag, whatever, both top and or on the bottom, you can see everything there is to see, whether you had an asset tag, barcode, etc., all the way around. We did it in this new, we called it a kind of a charcoal gray. It's a really nice, all the new ESFs will have this new gray. But I tell you what, I've showed it to a handful of people already. We're sending out samples, and I certainly think this is the best case we've ever done. So I'm pretty happy and excited to get it out to the customers. So there you go. That's a quick overview of the Extreme Shell F case.